Okay guys, I wanna share with you. Today it's a good day because I was waiting for a long time for this day because I'm going to swim in Black Sea, Odessa, Ukraine. It's winter, the temperature is around -7 degrees. You can count in Fahrenheit, I think you can see on the screen. And yes, I was waiting for this day because I'm going to swim, to spend time. I wanna tell why I started to do it. In 2019 I came back from Turkey and got flu. That was terrible experience because I couldn't recover for 45 days, and today I didn't remember when the last time I got any flu, cold or any other diseases, because I started to take cold shower. And I completely forget about other diseases like seasonal allergies, many others. I don't want to count them. I had some problems with my skin on my back, but today I don't, because I changed my lifestyle, and one of my methods include to swim in winter in Ukraine, in Black Sea. The temperature of water today I think around 6 degrees, 6 Celsius degrees. And yes, right now I'm going to take my brother, and because you know, it's interesting because he lives in Miami, but he traveled to Ukraine to see relatives, and we are going to take this swim. And you know, he loves this experience as well. He has some equipment in Miami to take cold bath, but in Ukraine I usually take cold shower every day. I can't tell that I love this experience, but you know, from I just do it because for the sake of having this health. And when I take my brother, we will go to another place, to the beach, and you will see how long we can swim on the sea. We have some equipment, 2 awesome operators, guys, and they will shoot everything. Okay guys, love you, see you, and let's do it.
We're located in Odessa, Ukraine, heading to the always warm and nice Black Sea. I'm gonna swim for about 30 minutes and see how it goes. The water is about 6.4 degrees Celsius. So back in 2018, I have discovered a Wim Hof method. Wim Hof is a guy from Denmark who basically advertises, propagates the use of cold water exposure for health reasons. So I went to his conference in New York City in December 2019, or 18 actually, and I decided to start practicing his cold water exposure method. So you start with just taking, you know, cold showers every day for, you know, as long as you can take, up to a few minutes, and slowly your body starts to build up resistance to cold. You also need to practice deep breathing exercises, and you can just download his app for guidance and see how it, just to try it for yourself. It's a good way to improve your health, to build resistance to cold, and just to become a healthier person. Well, the difference between Odessa and Miami is that those are like 2 separate countries. Miami is a part of sunny Florida, always nice and warm, part of that state. The average winter temperature there is 25-27 Celsius in winter, and nice and sunny, and much warmer in summer, like 35 degrees. Here in Odessa, the average winter temperature is below freezing, somewhere in the neighborhood of -5 Celsius to +5 Celsius. So obviously it's a different environment. But what Miami doesn't have, and Odessa does, is always nice and warm Black Sea. Well, Miami has the Atlantic Ocean, which is much warmer, but if you want to practice Wim Hof method, it's not a good choice because it's always warm there. So Black Sea is much better for Wim Hof because you have this nice period between September and May. Then the water is chilly in Black Sea, so you can practice the Wim Hof method in full. So what I do in Miami is I have this 500-liter chest freezer, which is usually used for freezing food, but you can seal it up and fill with water and install the thermal regulator, so the water there stays somewhere about, I keep it at about 1 Celsius. So that just gives you an opportunity to, you know, take a cold bath anytime you want, right in your house, without, you know, needing to travel somewhere where you can find cold water. So that's what I do in Miami, and it works.
Don't copy us because we have some experience to be in water for some time, for 20-30 minutes. It depends, but you know, you can start from cold shower. By the way, you know, for example, if I compare cold shower and swimming in cold water, cold shower is much worse because you can't feel, you know, your body just feels some touches of this water, and in water, when you swim, all your body are freezing, all your body. That's why it doesn't hurt a lot. You just need to swim. That's it, you know, nothing special. Okay, guys, love you. Just do it. Believe you can because you can, and let's do it. Okay, guys, I wanna tell you, if you swim for a long time, for example around 20-30 minutes, how you can control the temperature of your body. The first thing, I'm feeling my fingers on leg, you know, on legs. If I don't feel them for 5-10 minutes, that means it's better to think to get away, you know, from the water. The second thing, after 20 minutes of swimming in cold water, I can feel some warm in my body. I can feel that everything is fine, but you know, your body gives away the last warmth that you have, and when you take away all this warmth, that means you have a few minutes, around 5 minutes, to be on this water because it's unpredictable. You don't know exactly what will be the next. So you know, it's my temperature. I don't use some special equipment. I just feel my body. What do you think about this?
Yeah, exactly. So the body starts to, basically, it starts to fail to preserve the temperature. So after 25 minutes you start to feel like it's getting warm and warmer, but actually your body is giving up on controlling the temperature, so it's dangerous. So at that stage it's time to get out. That's how it works. But the worst is like the first 30 seconds, because the skin is screaming at you, get out, what are you doing? But after like 30 seconds it becomes like numb and you don't really feel the cold that much. It's like,
check out, no waves, no storm. Wow, the best weather, you know, what we can get today, you know, it's awesome. You know about that Mike Tyson is searching for a new opponent. I'm here, Mike, you know, Jack Paul, you can fight with me. Just come to Ukraine, any place, anytime. I will be there. We can fight, we can check out your strengths, skills. And you know, after watching this, I'm not sure that you will call me, but just now, I will be waiting for you. Мальдивы, да? Да. Еще теплее. Okay guys, check out the weather, you know, it's awesome. Today you can see birds can swim, fish can swim, you know, many animals, all I think all animals can do it. Why people can't do it? Yeah, we can do it as well, you know. We have some strong, and I think, you know, people forget about our nature. We were burned a million years ago to take this cold weather. You know, I love some learning history about Vikings, and you know, this guy could open Iceland, Greenland, many other places, and you know, they didn't have any sauna, just their strong health, belief, and yeah, we can just remind about our real nature. What do you think, Vova, about that?
Yeah, people have forgot the limits of the human body. Today people live in this super comfortable environment, in this temperature cocoon of 20 to 23 Celsius. They always stay indoors or only get out when it's nice and warm. So you basically stay in this 20 to 23 degree cocoon for your whole life, but your body is not designed for that. Human body is designed to handle all kinds of temperatures. Your body can withstand positive, negative, like very warm, very cold, any kind of temperature. So when you practice this cold water immersion, you basically force your body to go back to its roots, to basically use its inner strength, and you challenge your body to basically be strong. That's what we are doing. We are going back to our roots. We are going back to where the human body came from, to its inner strength, and challenging our bodies to basically be as strong as it was designed.
Okay guys, it's ice. That means we can't swim on such water because it's ice, it's hard, you know. It's freezing, it's not liquid. Yes, it's ice. But here I see liquid. It's not ice, it's warm water. Around 6.4 degrees Celsius. And the temperature today -7. It's possible that it's a little bit warmer right now because I checked out the temperature an hour ago. And yes, we are going to do it. What do you feel? Let's do it.
If the water is liquid, that means it's warm. If it's ice, frozen ice, that means it's cold. So that's our view on things.
Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Okay guys, we are going to do it, and right now it's a little bit cold, but it doesn't matter. Oh, nice weather, beautiful temperature, nice weather. Yeah. Woo. Oh guys, you know, the water is awesome. It's the best experience ever. And forget about flu, cold, even COVID, any other illness consequences that you can face in your time, just do it. No, believe you can. Start small, take cold shower, and keep going with taking full bath.
Best vaccine for the lives.
The best vaccine, yeah.
We usually swim for half an hour, but the water today is much colder, so we limit it to 20 minutes. Okay, it's time to get warm.